when it comes to entrepreneurship, a lot of people don't even know how to start a business, right?
Yeah.
Is it hard?
So I literally wrote a book about it to make it not hard. It's called How to Set Up Your Business for Under $1,000 because you can set up a business for under $1,000 today, right now, the second. The internet, mobile apps made it really easy, and so much competition made it really, really cheap or free to do everything. So, real quick, ready? Make a website. Doesn't have to be fancy whatsoever. Get all the social media accounts: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube. Free, 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 and free.
So when you say get a website, I'm just going to break it down real
Yeah.
fast. So get a website. So I'm going to go to GoDaddy or wherever, and I'm going to start searching for available domains.
Yes. So
And
when you have your name, you're going to go to GoDaddy and pick out your
so
name.
first pick your name.
Yes.
All right. So question, this is good stuff because like I get this all the time. All right. I want to be CodyBuysHouses.com. Okay. So CodyBuysHouses.com, that's, do I set up my LLC Cody Buys Houses, then I got to go buy CodyBuysHouses.com? Or can my LLC be ABC Investing Corp and my website be CodyBuysHouses.com?
Your LLC can be whatever name you want. That's perfectly fine. I prefer it to be the name of what you actually are. So I'd rather it be Cody's Buy Houses, but if it's CBH, the initials of Cody's Buy Houses, that's fine too. The LLC is not really relevant because that's not where people are going or seeing, unless they're writing you a physical check or doing a wire transfer, and everybody's comfortable writing a wire transfer or check to CBH LLC. Don't overthink the LLC part. That part is just government stuff, right? That's just your corporation. The website is important. And if you can't get the name that you exactly want, add the word the or like,
my. Or,
right. My old website was like theclothingline.com. That was my first website.
Because clothingline.com was taken.
Couldn't get it. So I got theclothingline.com.
Okay. So that's great because I tried to buy cleverinvestor.com. Some dude had it. He wanted $5,000 for it. At the time, I didn't have, that was like unfathomable to like pay somebody $5,000 for like a domain name. So I just switched the C to a K. I'm like, all right, I'm in business. I bought the domain for $6 or whatever. So is your domain name your brand?
It should be.
Okay.
Your social media account handle should be the same on every single social media platform, and it should be the same as your website. That's the ultimate goal. So at Clever Investor, cleverinvestor.com should be the same everywhere because it makes it easier for you to speak, makes it easier for you to interview, it makes it easier for you on stage, makes it easier for you to talk about Clever Investor, Clever Investor, Clever Investor. People know where to go, and you don't have to say, well, my website's thecleverinvestor.com or the Clever Investor LLC. You don't want that.
Yeah, it's too difficult to know how to jump from thing to thing. And I even went and got you said something one time on stage or to me, I forget where I heard it, but you said it and you were like, you should be going out and getting your kids' names secured right now on every platform so that way you have it ready for them. And I was like, oh shit, I don't even have my kids' names yet. So I ran and I got them all and set up the accounts and all that because, that's digital real estate.
Digital real estate.
Once it's taken, you're screwed.
Yes.
And I had somebody take Clever Investor on TikTok. I had to get with TikTok and get it back.
Right.
It's difficult to do. And I was only able to do that because I'm verified on every other platform. So they were cool and they worked with me. But that would suck to, not have
because the first thing people do is they look people up on social media or they Google them. That's it. For a job, for a date, for anything, they're going to look you up online. And so if someone has your child's name and that person is a porn star, an axe murderer, a plumber, whatever, you don't want your child's name to be a plumber or porn star or axe murderer, right? None of the above. You don't want it for any of that because your child might be the future attorney or a future real estate agent or a future whatever. You'd like them to be able to own their name. It doesn't cost much. You're talking about $0 to $6, $10, $20 to get this digital real estate. It's really important to do that tell your staff to do it, tell your friends to do it, but especially for your inner circle, your family, your business partners, etc. You got to own those screen names.